Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the visual building blocks and setting a grid so alignment is automatic. Place your background, import icons and fonts, and name elements clearly so you can reference them by hand. Once done, arrange placeholder buttons on the grid and lock the background layer to avoid accidental moves. Make sure to set consistent spacing and size rules. This prevents rework later and makes the interface readable on different screens. You now turn placeholders into interactive elements using the editor's visual tools. Create clickable zones and assign each button to a target screen or panel. Use the editor's navigation connectors so taps open the correct view. Design separate layers for hover and press states and toggle visibility per interaction rule. Once you map every button to its destination, preview transitions to balance timing. This keeps navigation smooth. You finish by testing responsiveness and accessibility. Preview the menu at multiple resolutions, set anchors or constraints so elements scale properly, and enlarge hit areas for reliable taps. Once satisfied, run a publish or test build and exercise every path to confirm visuals and navigation work. If something breaks, reproduce the exact steps and check layer order, anchor settings, and target links. That single reproducible bug is the fastest route to a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.